Working all around Autotex, we're putting power brakes on a Mustang that had manual brakes. It's from Leeds brakes. First thing you want to do is a crossbar that looks kind of like that one that was over here. It's connected here and two bolts there. I'm going to take that off to give you more access. And then here you have an 11 ratchet, and then this one is a 13 or ½ inch. I had trouble with it. You probably will have trouble too. You may have to get some big vice grips to get those things off. I did. I had to use vice grips. Finally got it to turn. And then there's a couple of 14mm bolts holding the master cylinder on. And then there's also, you see the push rod on the end here. That's on the inside. There's a clip that holds it on. You'll take the clip off from the inside, push it, push the brake switch to the side, and then also inside there is a 14mm bolts holding the pedal on. You're going to need to take the pedal off. And my dash is kind of out, so I'm going to get to it through here. You can't really see it real well, but here is the brake pedal over there. And if you follow it up, there's a bolt back here, 14mm. Take that off and then come back.